Welcome to our comparison of the Smug and Sweetcrispy Countertop ice makers. Today, we're diving into the features that make these two machines stand out in the world of portable ice production. Both models promise quick ice-making capabilities, but they have unique attributes that cater to different needs. Let's explore how they compare in terms of design, functionality, and value for your money. When it comes to price, the Smug Countertop Ice Maker is the more budget-friendly option at $69, while the Sweetcrispy model is priced at $79.99. This $10 difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a reliable ice maker without breaking the bank. The Smug model features a larger 1.5-liter water tank, allowing for extended use without frequent refills. In contrast, the Sweetcrispy has a smaller 1.2-liter tank, which may require more regular attention during heavy use. This difference can be crucial for gatherings or outdoor events where convenience is key. While both machines produce ice quickly, the Sweetcrispy model operates at a quieter level, making it ideal for indoor use where noise can be a concern. The Smug model, while efficient, may be slightly louder, which could be a factor if you're using it in a quiet environment. In conclusion, both the Smug and Sweetcrispy countertop ice makers offer impressive features for anyone in need of quick and efficient ice production. If you prioritize portability and a larger water tank, the Smug is the way to go. However, if you prefer a quieter operation and a sleek design, the Sweetcrispy might be your best choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.